when I was 15, 16, when they had Welsh lessons on the radio. I tried to learn Welsh then, and I had to wait till I was retired before I could pick it up again. Now I am duly ar y Gymraeg. Absolutely loved it, but of course very few opportunities here in Chepstow, certainly at that stage, to practice the language, and unless you can consolidate a language, it's very difficult.
It's easy to start learning, but it isn't always easy to carry on, and you get to the point where you might be a little bit shaky, but she offers help.
Here, I mean, we own the freehold, fortunately. We live above the shop. It wouldn't work commercially. Well, my mission statement mentions, it as a drop-in place, mainly where people can find information, practice their Welsh, find out about courses and so on.
It raises awareness of the Welsh language, and it gets people together who otherwise might not know that people speak Welsh.
One little boy came in here with his mum and said, "Mum, this isn't a shop. It doesn't look like a shop. It looks like a home." He was sitting on the rocking horse at that time. And I thought, yeah, I've achieved something. That was the sort of thing that I wanted him to, to feel at home here.
Dwi'n falch iawn ohono ti. A mae llawer o ddysgwyr yn cytuno bod ti'n haeddu pob llwyddiant bendigedig.
So I'm very grateful for some recognition, because my advertising budget is almost zero. So from now on, with luck, I might be able to do a little bit of advertising.